Hey guys, Lea here from Unbox, and this is the OPPO A7, the newest mid-range phone of the brand with Hyperboost out of the box. So what exactly does that mean and how does it benefit the users? Let's find out, so join me in this unboxing and quick review. So here it is, the box for the OPPO A7. Actually, the packaging is pretty standard. It comes in a clean white box. There's the OPPO branding, the model name, and a photo of the phone itself. Let us lift the lid. Underneath is a smaller box, also with the branding of OPPO. Inside it is the SIM ejector tool and the jelly case and some documentation. Okay. Underneath is the phone itself, but let's get to this later. And at the bottom of the box is the charger and the micro USB cable. That's about it. With that out of the way, let's check out the phone itself. Our unit came in the glaring gold color variant, although it seems to shift to silver depending on how light hits it. It has the illusion of texture when you look at it, but is actually smooth when you run your fingers through it because it's underneath the full glass back. It feels solid and sturdy in the hand with just enough curves to give it a good grip. It is a fingerprint magnet though, so you will need that jelly case. You'll find the power button on the right of the device, the volume rocker on the left, and the speaker grill's micro USB port and the headphone jack at the bottom. Now, let's check out the display. The OPPO A7 has a 6.2-inch HD+ IPS LCD display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It's a fairly decent screen, though you'll definitely miss the sharpness of a full HD+ panel. It is bright enough to be used outdoors and has good viewing angles. It has a water drop notch similar to what you'll find on the OPPO F9. I know a lot of you guys aren't so fond of the notch, but if it's any consolation, this one is smaller than most notches out there. It houses a phone's 16-megapixel selfie camera with an aperture of f2.0. It has a 13-megapixel rear camera with an aperture of f2.2 and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Check out some of our shots. Now that you've seen the photos, there should be a poll up on screen. Let us know what you think. The OPPO A7 runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage that's expandable via microSD. It should perform better than other phones with the same processor because of Hyperboost, which is similar to Huawei's GPU boost, but then again, we haven't really tried it out, so we don't know for sure. We will let you know in the full review. Juicing up the system is a 4,230 mAh battery, which should be more than enough to last you the whole day, but we'll see how it actually holds up as we take this phone through its paces. The OPPO A7 is priced at 13,990 pesos. Honestly, it's a bit expensive for what you get. I mean, you can get the Huawei Y9 2019 for a lower price, or just add a bit more and you can get the POCO phone and it has a better processing package. But then again, we just unboxed the phone, we haven't really tested it out, so give us a few days and we will come up with a full review, which we will leave as a pinned comment below. That's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. This is Lea. Bye!